Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Nikon D750 is probably one of the most versatile and popular full-frame DSLRs ever made, offering stunning image quality, robust build, and a wide array of features that make it suitable for both photography enthusiasts and professionals. In this video, we will deep dive into its performance, image quality, and overall user experience, helping you decide if it's the right camera for you. Number 5. Nikon D750 DSLR camera. Get ready to experience superior image quality. It boasts a powerful full-frame sensor and advanced image processor for stunning photos and videos. Capture breathtaking detail with its 24.3 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor. It's perfect for capturing stunning landscapes and portraits. Record full HD video at various frame rates. It offers professional video features for ultimate control over your footage. Share your creations instantly with built-in Wi-Fi. It also supports optional wireless transmitters for enhanced connectivity. Capture fast-paced action with its ability to shoot at up to 6.5 frames per second. Never miss a moment. It offers advanced video features like simultaneous compressed and uncompressed recording, manual control over ISO, shutter speed, and aperture. It even includes power aperture control for smooth transitions. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to handle. The tilting vari-angle LCD monitor provides flexible shooting angles. What we like. It boasts a full-frame sensor for stunning image quality and professional video capabilities with Wi-Fi for easy sharing. If you're a serious photographer or videographer needing top-tier image quality and wireless connectivity, this is the perfect choice for capturing breathtaking moments. What people say. The reason I decided to go with a D750 was its superior tracking ability of moving subjects in well-lit and low-light conditions. I shoot a lot of wildlife, especially birds in flight, and they are not easy subjects to capture. The D750 simply performs better in these situations. I get more keepers plus I get slightly faster FPS, which means I get slightly more frames to choose from. The image quality of the D750 is great. Auto white balance works surprisingly well. Skin tones look nice and so does everything else. Highlight wave metering is an interesting option and helps to preserve whites that might otherwise be blown out. The focus is much snappier, smarter, and accurate. My pictures are more clear and vivid. The FX format does not disappoint, the flash seems to fill in a lot better, the LCD screen on the D750 angles for better creative and hard to get shots, and the video taking features are much more robust. Number 4. Nikon D750 with 24 to 120mm lens. It's here, the Nikon D750, a powerhouse of imaging technology. Experience superior image quality and versatile performance in a sleek, compact design. This camera boasts a full-frame 24.3 megapixel CMOS sensor. It captures stunning detail and vibrant colors, even in low light. It shoots full HD video at various frame rates. It also offers professional video features for ultimate control over your footage. Stay connected with built-in Wi-Fi and compatibility with optional wireless transmitters. Shoot at up to 6.5 frames per second for capturing fast-paced action. It allows simultaneous recording of compressed and uncompressed video. Manually control ISO, shutter speed, and aperture for complete creative freedom. Its compact, lightweight body features a tilting vari-angle LCD monitor. This makes it comfortable to hold and easy to shoot from various angles. What we like. This one offers the same great full-frame image quality and professional video features, but it comes with a versatile 24 to 120mm lens. If you need a single lens to cover a wide range of shooting situations, and want professional video capabilities, this is a great all-in-one solution. What people say. I've had this camera for several months now and honestly, I love it. I did purchase Nikon's 50mm 1.8 lens as a prime and wow. That little piece of glass produces some amazingly sharp pictures. I also purchased the Rokinon 14mm wide angle as well and it too produces very nice images mounted to this frame. My primary use for this lens in real estate photograph, mostly interior work. What a fantastic camera. Has plenty of pixels for anything I would print, is solid and well built, focus is amazing, dynamic range, clarity, speed, low light capability, this has it all. Great low light performance, color rendition, hand feel, controls, a huge boost in MPs. Number 3. Nikon D750 DSLR camera. It's here, the Nikon D750. This camera boasts incredible image quality and performance. With its high-resolution sensor, it captures stunning detail in every shot. Experience vibrant colors and exceptional clarity. The powerful XP4 processor ensures fast and efficient image processing. You'll get beautiful images with minimal noise. Its tilting LCD monitor makes composing shots from various angles a breeze. See your images clearly, even in bright sunlight. It shoots full HD video at 60 frames per second. Capture smooth, cinematic footage with ease. It has a sophisticated autofocus system that ensures sharp focus, even in challenging conditions. Never miss a moment. Its impressive ISO range allows you to shoot in low light with confidence. Get stunning images even in the dark. Capture fast-moving action with its continuous shooting mode. It shoots up to 6.5 frames per second. Its advanced metering system ensures accurate exposure. Get perfectly exposed images every time. What we like. It packs a powerful 24.3 MP sensor and shoots stunning 1080p video, with a highly accurate 51-point autofocus system. If you are on a budget but still want excellent image quality and reliable autofocus, this is an economical option that delivers great performance. What people say. Stills are great low light performance. Best camera body I've used. The quality is great. Number 2. Nikon D750 Camera Kit. Get ready to experience the thrill of professional photography. This renewed Nikon D750 is a powerful tool, ready to capture stunning images. It's built to last. This camera boasts exceptional Japanese craftsmanship and reliability. The included AFS 24-120mm lens offers incredible versatility. It's perfect for a wide range of shooting situations. Discover the advanced features and capabilities that will elevate your photography to the next level. It's packed with technology for stunning results. Despite its power, it's surprisingly portable. Take it anywhere and capture life's moments with ease. Everything you need is here, in one complete kit. Start creating breathtaking photos and videos today. What we like. It's a renewed model that includes a full-frame sensor, professional video features, and a versatile 24-120mm lens. If you are looking for a cost-effective way to acquire professional-grade equipment without compromising on quality, this renewed option is a smart choice. What people say. Shutter count 1 when I checked. It appears to be as the packaging was all original Nikon. All the controls and menus are identical with a few extra items on the D750. No learning curve to get up and running. Picture quality looks great, so far very happy with my choice to go with a renewed D750. Number 1. Nikon D750 DSLR camera, renewed. Get ready to experience professional-grade photography with this renewed Nikon D750. It has been thoroughly tested and certified to work and look like new, giving you amazing value. Capture stunning details with its 24.3 MP FX format CMOS sensor. It delivers exceptional image quality, perfect for landscapes or portraits. Its advanced 51-point autofocus system ensures sharp focus, even with fast-moving subjects. You'll always get the shot you want. Shoot at up to 6.5 frames per second to capture action sequences. It also records full HD 1080p video at 60 frames per second for smooth, cinematic results. The tilting LCD monitor makes composing shots from various angles a breeze. It's incredibly user-friendly, even for beginners. With its wide ISO range and built-in Wi-Fi, it gives you the flexibility to shoot in various conditions and share your photos instantly. It's your creative partner. This renewed camera comes with all relevant accessories and a minimum 90-day warranty. Buy with confidence knowing it meets Amazon's high standards. What we like. This renewed option provides the same great full-frame sensor and 1080p video capabilities, along with built-in Wi-Fi. If you want the benefits of a full-frame camera with the convenience of wireless connectivity at a more affordable price, this is a great option. What people say. The quality and prestige of Nikon with excellent colors. Lot to learn about how to best utilize all its features. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.